Will the Minister please update the House on how the Morrison Government is providing support to our Pacific Island neighbours for the management of COVID-19, including through the rollout of life-saving vaccines?
The Minister for Health has the call.
Thank you very much, Mr Speaker, and I want to thank the member for Higgins, not just for the question but for her service to the Australian health system, a system which, again, today has seen, despite the challenges on the weekend, 0 cases nationwide for the 45th day. But whilst in this year alone, but whilst we are doing well at home, we know that the global pandemic continues. The global pandemic continues to increase in its scope and its challenge, and our region, sadly, is not immune. In particular, we know, as the Prime Minister said, that Papua New Guinea is facing challenges as we speak. So therefore, as part of that, Australia has committed $80 million to the COVAX program to support 92 developing countries. This is at a time where we see that the world has reached 120 million cases, over 2.6 million lives lost agonisingly. But specifically within our region, there is $500 million to support the vaccine rollout program across the Indo-Pacific, to support our Pacific neighbours, to support Papua New Guinea, where $144 million approximately has been put aside. Already, we have been working with PNG with regards to PPE, with the Rita Flynn Testing and Isolation Facility, with regards to Port Moresby General Hospital and other facilities and capacity across the country. Right now, we know that we are seeing an increase in cases in PNG. This is a matter of serious concern for Australia, but even more so, of course, for the wonderful people of Papua New Guinea. And so, as part of that, we are working with Queensland and we are working with PNG in preparing our response to listen to their needs as to what they are seeking from Australia. In particular, we are in a position to be able to assist and support once we've had their full advice in the very near future. And what we are doing, very much so, is ensuring that they have the capacity through vaccines, through the support of an AUSMAT team which has been announced and which will be deployed to assist in Papua New Guinea, and I thank those volunteers that have put themselves forward, and we will continue to provide support within our region. So $80 million for COVAX, $500 million for a regional vaccine initiative, direct support to Papua New Guinea already, but additional support now being prepared in conjunction with Queensland, which, in partnership with the Commonwealth, has set out its priorities, which has included commencing in the Torres Strait Islands vaccinations in Saibai and elsewhere. Already underway. So these things are occurring. We're engaged with PNG, we're engaged with Queensland, we're engaged in protecting our friends and our neighbours.
And I call the member for